Hindi ko talaga kabisado guys kung anong event meron. So bago ko lang nakita pagdating ko dito. Oh my God. God. Ang galing nila mag-design. Pa-flowers. Asia Link. Nandito rin yung Asia Link. Real Estate Mortgage. Tapos, Palawan Pawn Shop. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang Converge. SME. Ito na, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung event. Association of Accredited Tourism Accommodations of Puerto Princesa, Palawan. 10th Anniversary and Members Appreciation Night 2025. So, kukuha ako guys. No, nagugutom na may. Wow, pika-pika. Free. Try kami ng coffee. Ang pinili ko ay strawberry latte. Ganyan siya. Wow. So, itatry namin yung mga food nila. So, tapos na ako dyan. Na-try ko na yan. Gusto ko yun, huwag masyadong maraming coffee. Huwag na masyadong maraming ice.
Our Oriental dinner. This evening's dining experience will be accompanied by a special performance later on. Ayan, ready pa lang po ang ating stage. And we're also excited to announce that our mobile bar is now open along with the tuna sashimi carving station. Please feel free to indulge and enjoy this special offering. So sit back, relax,